friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hey there my sunshine seekers and nature lovers. Ready to dive into a world of calm, beauty and a little bit of fun? Today we are taking a magic stroll through a serene village where the sun kisses the horizon, a cozy farmhouse welcomes you, and adorable animals roam freely. This drawing isn't just about scenery, it's about feeling the warmth of a sunrise, the charm of a village, and the joy of simple, peaceful moments. But that's not all. I'm sprinkling in 5 fun facts about farm life and nature that will make you smile and maybe even say, "Wow, I didn't know that." Let's get those crayons ready, spark our imaginations and create something unforgettable together. Don't forget to stick around till the end. It's going to be a mood-tastic. Let's get started. Fun fact number 1. Early birds rule the farm. Did you know roosters have built-in alarm clocks? They crow not just at the sunrise, but any time they sense light, even a flashlight. Fun fact number 2. Sunflowers love the sun. Sunflowers aren't just pretty. They actually follow the sun across the sky during the day in a process called heliotropism, nature's little sun chasers. Fun fact number 3. Farmhouses are built to last. Traditional farmhouses often have big porches, not just for relaxing but to keep the house cooler in summer. Smart design, right? Fun fact number 4. Cows have besties. Cows form strong bonds with other cows in their herd and can get stressed if separated from their BFF. Friendship goals. the last one, fun fact number 5. The sunrise you see is an illusion. So when you watch a sunrise, you're actually seeing light bend through Earth's atmosphere. The sun has already risen before your eyes catch it. Mind blowing, huh? That's a wrap, my sunshine loving friends. Thank you for joining me on this colorful adventure of farms, animals and the magical sunrise. Wasn't it fun bringing this little village to life together? But before you go, here is a quick mission for you. You loved the video, so give it a big thumbs up, like a cow cheering for its bestie. Drop a comment and tell me which part of this drawing was your favorite. Was it the sunrise or the cute little animals? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our growing family of art explorers. Lastly, share this video with your friends who need a little sunshine, creativity in their day. Let's spread smiles and colors everywhere. See you soon with another amazing adventure. Keep shining, keep smiling, and keep creating. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye-bye.